Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video we're exploring some of the beautiful spots you absolutely shouldn't miss, along with a few top tips if you're planning a visit. We headed over to Godrevy early one morning this week. It's March and the weather is starting to improve, with the evenings getting brighter and longer. Godrevy Head is a stunning coastal headland in North Cornwall, located in St Ives Bay. It's known for its dramatic cliffs, sweeping beaches and incredible wildlife. Just north of St Ives, Godrevy forms part of one of the longest beaches in Cornwall. With its sand dunes and subtle cliffs, it looks beautiful in any weather. Rain or shine, the seascape is full of stunning colours. The drive to Godrevy is beautiful in itself, although the roads can be quite narrow in places. Cars and smaller vans will definitely have an easier time navigating the area. There are several car parks dotted along the stretch of the coastline, and Google Maps will definitely be your best friend when it comes to finding them.
It's low tide this morning, so we headed over to Godrevy Point, where a number of small coves become the perfect place to spot seals at this time of year. Godrevy is home to a large colony of grey seals, which can be seen here all year round along the coastline. Seals in the UK are protected under the several laws, including the Conservation of Seals Act 1970, the Conservation of Habitats and Species Regulations 2019, and the Wildlife and Countryside Act of 1981. This means it's an offence to intentionally or recklessly disturb and injure or harm them. One of the best places to see them is Mutton Cove, where seals gather on the beach and rocks, especially at low tide. When the seals come onto land to rest, is known as hauling out. They do this to sleep, digest their food, molt and care for their pups. During peak season in winter, you can sometimes spot over 100 seals here at once, making it one of the best wildlife experiences in Cornwall. To autumn to early winter, it is also pupping season. When baby seals are born, they rely heavily on their mothers. Godrevy is considered one of the best and most incredible places in the UK to safely watch seals from above without disturbing them. This location is perfect for photography, allowing you to capture these incredible animals from a safe distance. The area is also managed by the National Trust. I brought along my camera and tripod, and it was amazing to watch them enjoying the dry weather, something we haven't had much of so far this year.
To the right of these coves is Godrevy Point, overlooking the famous lighthouse. The dramatic scenery here is absolutely breathtaking. This lighthouse is definitely one of Cornwall's many wonders. The iconic Godrevy Lighthouse sits on a small rocky island just offshore, known as Godrevy Island. It was built in 1859 to warn ships of the dangerous rocks in the area. There's so much to share about this special place. For now, rock pool swimming can wait until the temperatures rises, although you might spot a brave local taking the plunge.
Godrevy and Gwithian are best visited in the summer, especially at low tide. But even during the autumn and winter months, the colours this bay offers are absolutely stunning no matter what the weather. You'll find plenty of rock pools perfect for families and dog walkers to explore. Always keep an eye on the tide times, as parts of the coastline can cut you off if you're not careful. It is a very popular spot for surfers. Facing the north coast, it offers plenty of space to spread out and enjoy what this coastline is famous for, the big Atlantic swell. This beach is ideal for long coastal walks, and you'll find toilets and cafes dotted along the way for convenience. So as you can see behind us, in the distance is St Ives, the summit we're going to explore in the summer and show you how mad it gets.
Yeah, it is mad in the summer for sure, but yeah, looking forward to it. It's good. Over the other side you've got Hale, which, you know, connects all to this Gwyvion.
Hale's really popular for its estuary. It's quite a big estuary. At low tide it looks like the Caribbean. In the summer, obviously in the winter it can be a bit grey at times, but it's still a nice beach walk.
Which will do all this in the summer as well, so we're just giving you a feel for it in the March. Spring is upon us, bring it on.
One thing you've got to be aware of is the cliffs, still crumbling away. So 2026 has seen the most rainfall in 50 days, so a lot of the landscape has changed a bit, a lot of sand is gone, a lot of the cliffs have come away a bit as well. So yeah, we haven't got much sand dunes left anymore, so it's a big change. Hopefully it all comes back in the summer, we'll see. You'll often spot locals soaking up the views here in Cornwall. Seriously, how do they stay that colour? There are endless winding paths down to the beach, perfect for exploring and letting your imagination run wild. One word of warning: during off-peak season, there are no lifeguards. If the tide, weather or coastal swell catches you out, 999 is your only friend. Like much of Cornwall's north coast, conditions can turn on a dime. One moment it's calm, the next it's downright dangerous. Never underestimate the power of the ocean.
Thanks for joining us on this journey along Godrevy and Gwyvion. Whether it's exploring the rock pools, chasing waves, or just soaking up those incredible views, this stretch of Cornwall has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more coastal adventures, and let us know in the comments what's your favourite beach in Cornwall. Until next time, stay safe near the tides, respect the ocean and keep exploring.